and thank you to all of our new subscribers. Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Creativity Castle. My name is Sauerpuss. Each week, we bring to you a new Sauerpuss creativity exercise. I sure hope you can join us for a new and exciting episode from me, Sauerpuss.
Remember to subscribe to our channel.
And if you like this video, remember to give us a thumbs up. Now let's go on to our creative drawing exercise. In today's episode, I am going to draw a Sauerpuss Santa.
Oh boy, what fun!
And for this drawing, I will be using a black marker. If you'd like, you can follow along with me. I will begin by first drawing part of Santa's hat. This is the fluffy part of the brim of Santa's hat. And I will also start to draw my Sauerpuss head. Here I will start with one of my ears, so you can see that this ear is not covered up by the hat. And then I will begin to draw part of my face. I will now begin to draw in some of the details on my head and face, starting with this ear. Next, I will add in my rounded triangular nose and my two eyes. Do-do-do, do-do-do. You can notice how my two rounded oval eyes kind of lean in towards each other. Hoo-hoo! And next, I will draw a happy Sauerpuss mouth. Hoo-hoo! And I won't forget to add my little tooth. Perhaps this Santa Sauerpuss is saying, ho, 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 ho.
Ho, ho, ho.
And here are the 3 dots on each side of my muzzle for my whiskers. And also here I will draw the whiskers in. And now I will add in the rest of my Santa hat. Do-do-do. And I will make it look like it's a floppy Santa hat hanging over part of my face. Hoo-hoo! And here is the soft, fluffy cotton ball at the end of the hat. And let's give Sauerpuss some Santa clothes. We will start with Santa's jacket. These fluffy areas are meant to be white when we color in Santa's outfit. These will be the soft cottony parts of his outfit. And we will give Santa's coat some nice fluffy ends to his sleeves. And we will give our Santa Sauerpuss some nice warm mittens to wear. And we don't want to forget to draw Santa a belt. We will also draw some nice fluffy trim on the bottom of Santa's coat. Hoo-hoo! Do-do-do, do-do-do. And why don't we draw our Sauerpuss Santa carrying a big sack of Christmas presents? Hoo-hoo!
I love Christmas time.
And here we'll draw his other mitten holding the end of the sack. Do-do-do, do-do-do. And let's draw this sack to look like a big bundle of toys is inside. Hoo-hoo! Now let's finish off our Sauerpuss Santa by adding his pant legs and his boots. And if you'd like to color in this Sauerpuss Santa, remember to go to our website in the printables section. There you can find this Color Me Sauerpuss. Woohoo! And here we have today's drawing, a Sauerpuss Santa. And if you'd like to color in our Sauerpuss Santa, just go to our website to the printable section. Simply go to our website for this and many more free downloads. Register today. I sure hope you've enjoyed today's episode. See you next time, and remember to
Be creative!